motherfucker. Get over there. Oh, he's swimming. Ooh, buddy. That's the one I came for. You are the one I came for, buddy. Yeah, got you now. This is for you, Mr. Gomez. You could have came today. Woo. Right after the rain. Oh, hang on, buddy.
Tornadoes.
So I've got it pretty good. That was an adrenaline rush for sure, man. You talk about addictions. I got me one, people. Whoa, buddy, look at that. That's about a 3-pounder right there. I need to get a scale so I can prove it, huh? Anyway, man, that's healthy. Look at that meat on that sucker. Yeah. All right, we're gonna let him go. All right, here we go. Yeah, see him swim back under the boat?
No.